So I'm sure you started a business for time freedom, 3-day weekends, going on vacation whenever you want, traveling the world, and then you found out that that wasn't the case. But it can be. We are talking about how to take a vacation as an entrepreneur. It's very possible, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. Hi, I'm Ariana. Oh my God. Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm a social media manager. On this channel, we talk about socials for business, content creation and content marketing, and work-life balance. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I highly suggest subscribing. So if you're new to this channel, we love planning. Planning is everything. I literally have 7 planners. I could be a little bit more organized though. Key to taking a vacation as a business owner is to plan for it. I always talk about having your weekends off, making sure that you have everything that you have to get done within the week so that you are living your life on the weekends. So if you are taking a little weekend getaway, you should be fine if you plan accordingly. You are going away for more than a couple days. It can be a little bit nerve-wracking, but we're gonna get into what you can do to make sure that you are having the best vacation ever, no stress and no working. So the first thing that you're gonna go ahead and do is kind of audit the tasks that you do every single week. What do you have to do to keep your business running? Is this answering emails every day? Is this creating content every week? Is this packing orders? Figure out what you do to keep your business alive and figure out what you can do in advance. There are a couple things that you can do. You can take care of beforehand so that you're not worrying about it on your vacation, and that you can kind of take a break from if you do plan accordingly. And then there are also a couple things that you can automate, that things are still happening while you're out of office. So when I prepare for my vacations, I usually have to pre-record a lot of content, make sure that I have some content stocked up so that I am staying active on social media. And I also make sure that I get all of the back-end tasks that have to get done every single day done as much as in advance as I can. So what does this look like for you? Write everything down and plan your week before and your week after so that you are still where you need to be when you come back. Moving on to the things that you can't really do in advance, there are things that you can automate. So if you do get leads every single day, if you do get emails every single day, you can set up automated responses. Let your community or whoever is contacting you all the time know in advance, or set up an automated email saying that you are currently out of office. Let them know when you'll be back. Let them know that you will take care of them as soon as you can. But I'm sure you know your relationship with whoever it is that you're speaking to, whether you need to let them know in advance or they can just get an automated response letting them know that you are out of office. You can also set up automatic replies on Instagram DMs and frequently asked questions. If you don't want to have a whole conversation while you're on vacation with someone who is interested in your offer or interested in your services, you can use the DMs feature to set up clickable links that lead your customer or your client to somewhere that they can continue their client journey and secure the bag while you're doing absolutely nothing on vacation. This is also another level of automation and another level of having your business run on its own so that you can take these vacations and that you don't have to be there in every single area of your business to have it run. So you should be doing this anyway, even if you're not going on vacation. Another thing that you can automate while you are on vacation is your content posting. There are a couple places that you can schedule your content to be auto posted. There are some hiccups when it comes to auto posting from Planoly or Later or whatever you use. For example, if you do schedule your reels, they will be posted as original audio reels instead of the trending audio reels. So a good way to kind of get around this is just to keep everything in your drafts ready to go. Maybe set an alarm and then go ahead and post wherever you are. Have your captions pre-written, all of your hashtags wherever they need to be, and all you have to do is hit post while you're on vacation. So you don't really have to think about anything. But the content that you can schedule would include the carousel posts, the feed posts, and you can definitely do this from Planoly, Later, Canva. Figure out what type of content that you usually post and try to get it done as much in advance as you can. Definitely take advantage of these scheduling tools and take advantage of the drafts feature in all of these social media apps as well. TikTok also allows you to schedule your content on TikTok on desktop, but they also will only post your TikTok as original audio TikToks. So if that doesn't bother you, then you're good to go. But if that is something that kind of bothers you, Planoly does offer TikTok scheduling where you do have to manually post when you do get a notification, but they do have that audio link section in there that you can go ahead and post with the trending audio link. You get the notification, you have your pre-written captions and your content downloaded from Planoly. So definitely look into this and see what you can do and what works with your content, what works with your schedule, so that you can kind of have some level of automation while you are on vacation. And lastly, if you do have things that you absolutely cannot do without being present in your business or in your home, for example, packaging orders, I would probably suggest to outsource to a team if your business is at this level. Product-based businesses that do package orders usually grow a team when they are at a place in their business to do so. So if you do have a team member that you can trust with packaging and sending out orders, definitely let them know that you're going on vacation and you need them to step up to the plate just for a couple days. But if you are still kind of a smaller business and it's only you running the show, I would definitely suggest to let your community know that you will be out of office for however long. Wouldn't suggest kind of taking down your website, because you could ruin potential leads while you are on vacation, which is not what we want. But definitely maybe leave a banner on your website saying that orders will not be going out between this and this date. Maybe add a free gift to your orders. Maybe add a freebie to the orders that are a little bit delayed. Apologize for the inconvenience, but this should not stop you from going on vacation that you really deserve. And if you do let your followers in your community know as much as in advance as possible that you won't be in office and you won't be able to ship out orders between so and so time, will really help you out in the long run. So hopefully now you'll feel a little bit more equipped to go ahead and take that well-deserved vacation as an entrepreneur. If you found this video valuable, I'd really appreciate if you leave a like down below. If you have any other video suggestions you'd like to see from me, please let me know in the comments. If you like content like this and you'd like to see more content from me, I highly suggest subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!